Okay. Hi, I'm Jasmine. This is my first YouTube video and ever. So I just barely learned how to, upload and stuff. It's not funny, Mom. See, my mom always got to be all up in my business, even when I'm making a YouTube video. So I'm going to teach you how to eat Doritos. Stop it! I know, but it's gonna be my first YouTube video. So basically, I'm just gonna sit here and eat and talk to my mom and my cat.
Bruno's eyes got big like there was drugs in the house.
Really?
Yeah.
So my cat, he's a treat freak. He eats them.
Addict.
Yeah, he's a treat addict. Exactly. So what he does is he eats treats and then he goes and he runs up to everyone expecting them to give him treats. And if you don't, he likes to paw on my mom's head to wake her up to get him treats and stuff. And he likes to bang on my door. See, this cat, he does not have claws. He has little, nudges, little paws. But I'm serious. One time I got pissed off at him because he was scratching on my door. Well, knocking on my door because this cat knocks. Right? And I went over to my door and I kicked it. I'm like, whoa! And then I went back and sat on my bed, and then I hear this boom, and that was my mom. So I go and I open the door, and he's just sitting there looking all innocent. I'm like, you fucker, It was funny though.
You should say thank you, mommy. Not round. Thank you, mommy. Look here, Doritos back. What are you doing? Quit. Get back. Get there.
This is my mom.
I don't want to be on the phone.
Oh. Anyway, that was my mom.
We're not switching anyway.
I'm not.
Look at you fucking Joneser. Look at him.
Bring Bruno over here. Bruno!
I'm trying to get some treats, bitch.
This is the infamous Bruno. See how he has no claws, just paws? He's like, get off me, bitch.
That ain't gonna be.
And even he.
You're gonna have to read it.
And even he likes Doritos. Down!
Oh, God. Help the cat.
Okay.
Don't put this on YouTube.
And I think this is enough.